AMC FearFest. 19 straight days and nights, now through Halloween. Only on AMC. AMC Fantastic Sunday. Every Sunday night, 3 shows for fans to sink their teeth into. First, a new episode of AMC's The Walking Dead.
We have to go in there, hand to hand.
Then we go live on Talking Dead. Dig deep into the latest episode of The Walking Dead with host Chris Hardwick and guests.
I love this show.
Comics! Then AMC's comic book men are back.
This is a major find.
AMC Fantastic Sunday. New episodes every Sunday night starting at 9. Only on AMC.